Guys, welcome this PM Africa. After I check it from repair, after we repair the machine, so today is the time to see whatever if the machine is working or is not working. So you want to see the flow of welding, right? So like you see here, there was a damage here. You see the damage, and also the other side here, right? So today I'm trying to see whatever if the machine is working perfectly or it's not working. So let's go inside and fix the main cable so that I can see if the machine is working perfectly. Okay, thank you my people. This PM from Africa. Like I told you before, just subscribe, click notification bell, support me. That's the only way you can support me. Hold my hand by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Okay, this PM from Africa, a typical village boy born and raised in northern part of Kenya. Yeah, very typical boy, but for now I'm just a normal local welder here in Nyaro. So guys, you're welcome. I appreciate you guys. You're welcome. You're welcome. So welcome guys. Let's go inside and fix the main machine. Like you see, this is a workshop. Like you see, this is a grill gate there, and also this my this my toolbox right there. So okay, this is the main. I think it's already fixed. So the only way that we can see is to fix it, right? So okay, I think yeah. Okay, okay guys, this is the main one. Like I told you before, yeah, this is the main cable from the main to the machine. So like you see, that's a cable is from here where you get the live. It is a live wire, and yeah, the live wire, and the other one is a positive one, right? So we want to take outside and see whether the machine is working or it's not working after we repair it, because there was a damages. Yeah, so I wanted to if I have money I can buy a new one, but I don't have money at this time, so I decided to repair it, uh, so that I can be using it for my projects here and also job, because I have some many guys here, people I've been trying to train them to weld, for free. I mean for free. They are not paying anything, just for free. So let's go outside and see if the machine is working or not. So okay, this is my holder, like you see here, and this is the other one. So I'm trying to see if the machine is working or is not working, right? So this PM from Africa, like you can see, this is my label. Yeah, I love being in Africa. So this is my label. I want to show you guys if the machine is working perfectly or is not working. So let's try.